how to set WorkDoc text to a board item in Monday.com. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you about work documents and how you can put them up in a board. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Monday.com. Once when you log in, you can see that you will be redirected here to this home page and there are many boards that you're previously working on. So let's open up a board randomly. And now if you want to add up a work document here, what do we need to do? Let's open another board. This one is pretty stretched up. So let's see, now we have this board. Let's remove some items in the column so that it gets more, I guess, clear and visible for us. So now I need to add up a work doc file here. So what do I need to do? I need to click on this plus icon and search for work doc here. So Monday doc, I'm going to click on this and then I need to click here to create a new document. So it's going to take some time, but here you go. This is the way you can create a Monday doc. You can start with a board, a table. I'm going to go with a table. Then you can add or remove the rows and columns the way you want. And you can add more or you can remove these. That's completely up to you. But let's see. I want to make a work doc regarding a project. So I'm going to write project properties and project valuation. Like how much is the project worth it for us? Valuation. We're going to write the name of the work doc. Here you go. So this is how we create a work doc here on Monday.com. You can change the style if you want. Like, do you want it narrow, wide? You can change the font. You can change the font size. You can add a cover image as well if you want. You can upload an image and put the image right here. So that's completely up to you. Moving on. We can make it either a numbered list or a bulleted list. That's completely up to us. We can change the alignment of the text if we want. We can change the size as well of the titles and everything. So this is the basic way. And when we are done with creating a document, we can just close it. And here you go. A Monday doc has been created. And then for future documents, we can just click here and we'll be able to create another one right here. But yeah, again, that's completely up to us if we want it or not. And we can also, just give me a second. We can add more commands here if we want. We can add more templates here. We can add a to-do list. We can add a project plan. We can add a widget. There are a lot of options, I can say, a lot of options that you can do with this table right here. But that's the pretty much basic way of creating a work doc here on Monday.com. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.